Welcome to another unboxing video. What do you suppose this is going to be? Well, it's from Howell's Models. Well, this is the London 2012 train pack. Here we have it. This was a model sold in 2012 in commemoration of the then Olympic Games. Exactly 2012 editions of this model were made, but they didn't sell very well, and model railway shops ended up with unsold stock. The Class 395 were originally ordered from Hitachi to ferry passengers from the Olympic Games along the newly built Channel Tunnel rail link, and that's how they acquired the nickname Javelin. The Hornby version is in white livery with Olympic pictograms of various sports. The full-size version was never painted in this livery because South Eastern agreed to take the javelins purchased for the Olympics to provide a service to Margate. Consequently, the Class 395 was painted in blue, matching the southeastern colour scheme, with only the word javelin painted on the side in remembrance of this tale. Let's have a closer look at the power car. Here we can see there is the word London, and the Olympic logo is here on this design. You can see that this is just white plastic. Let's move it along. It has the number 395001, but you need to bear in mind that this livery is entirely fictitious. The door features are depicted as it's the same moulding as be on the other Hornby 395. You can see that the door warning sign is picked out. The pictograms they do appear to be stuck on. In fact, they are not. They are painted on. If we look here, we can see that the this boxes here are picked out in gold here along the bottom, which is quite an interesting touch. If we go along to the end here, we see it says 2010 as the unit number. The power bogey is at the rear, as is the same with the other Class 395 that Hornby has made. It's exactly the same type of mechanism. Thought you would like to compare the white javelin with the regular javelin. You can see that they are exactly the same train. This is R2821, and you know it does differ from the Hornby Visitor Centre one in that it does not have the word javelin here. Also, it has the same number as the white train, 395001. If we compare the two power bogies of the white javelin and the blue Javelin, we can see they are the same. So if you buy this white train, you are getting exactly the same mechanism. Comparing the roofs of the two trains, you can see that the is exactly the same detailing on the roof. Just move along here, you can see that comparing them side by side, they are identical. Looking at the fronts of the two trains side by side, you can see once again there's really little to choose between them. Obviously there's a slightly different design here. This is picked out in white, this side. If we look at the rear of the two power cars, we can see again there's no difference in the detailing. When you buy one of these things second-hand, sometimes find the current collector is missing from the pantograph. There's a pantograph on both the power car and on the dummy car. Normally when the class 395 runs, it only uses one pantograph, so it doesn't, the fact that the pantograph is not depicted here doesn't really matter that much. The reason why the class 395 has two pantographs is there are different voltages in France and Belgium, and it's so that the one pantograph can be lowered and the other can be raised if the train does want to go from France to Belgium. But when it runs in the UK, it only needs the one pantograph. So if you get one of these things and the current collector is missing, you don't need to worry about it very much. If you've not got a Javelin and you would like one, having seen this review, Hornby have just released one which is almost identical to this one, except it has the name Hornby Visitor Centre on it, and it has the word Javelin on the front.